Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing the bank stocks as well as Nifty stocks through Elliott waves. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully, and this channel was started for educational purpose only, not for financial investment. And I am not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans. Explaining here for this week. So this is a regular watch list. Stratton, Grasim, Raymond, Reliance. So nearly 26 pairs plus Nifty and Bank Nifty. And last week I didn't done that weekly analysis because of my technical issues. My hardware got a problem, so I just changed my system. So this is the new one. So now let's we move on from the starting of Nifty. We'll do Bank Nifty and then the following stocks. So this is my earlier count 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 as a 3, and what I thought is a B C is a 4, and we need a 5 waves, and it already did the past week. I told this is a wave 1 2 and 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 4, and maybe it already little bit crossed that third wave end. So I thought this could be maybe a fifth 5 waves ended, and I explained that I'm not satisfied here because it's a 1 2 and it's looking like a 3-way structure. Here also it's looking like a 3-way structure, and here also it's looking like a 3-way structure. So what I thought is maybe it could break like this, so I need to change this as a 4th wave, and if it did that 5-way structure, and that could be a 5th way end, but it didn't break this high yet here. So and again it did a deeply correction, so I'm not so satisfied. I make it as this as a 4, and we need to be a 5th wave, so I'm not so satisfied with this. And even though what I said here is, if this is the end of the 4th wave and this is the 5th wave end, means here the 3rd wave, it's not 1618 extension, so 5th wave may be a chances for extend. So that is why the previous analysis is 1 2, so 3 4 5, and it could be extended also. So to 12,800 maybe, and if it has to break this high of 12,430, and here I'm not so satisfied, and I explained this, and now I got one more new idea. So this is the alternative view, so I need to remove this to explain. In that case, what I have to do is this. Anyway, the 4th way is not like a simple, and I explained that also. So whether there is a lot of chances, this could be another ABC here, because the 4th wave, it's not yet done. So this could be another ABC. So this could be another ABC, and this is the C. So there is a 3-way structures also be there. In that case, ABC is finished, ABC is finished, ABC is finished. So maybe this could be a 4th, and this is the 5th way end. There is a lot of chances for making as a running flat. ABC, W, X, ABC, because it's already broken that, and as per this could be a 1272 exactly. It did, and the only thing is here that wavelength is not That's 786. This is not equal here. This is only the 0.5 length of this. So whether this could be a end of that fifth wave, this is the fourth wave end, this could be a chances for end. Otherwise, if it didn't came downside, as per this is the end of the 5-way structure, means we need to be a, we can expect the 3-way structure to nearly 9,600, but the first target will be the 10,800 zone. I will show you, and I will remove this. Yeah, see now 1 2 3, and if it is, this is the 4 and fifth wave got ended here, or it could be a continuation of the wedge formation. There is a 3 more waves downside, and it could be a this kind of wedge formation for the fifth wave and then drop. So that is also a chances for ABC. So anyway, I'm looking here, it's a only 3-way structure, and then again it may happen, or this is the end of the fourth wave, means fifth wave is already ended. It may ended, or a little bit one more high is 12,400 or 12,300 is also possible. So anyway, from this week we have to watch. There is a lot of bigger correction can happen. So first target is what I'm expecting here is the first target. So within this maybe a bigger correction like this, A, and B will be a consolidation, then C. Otherwise we can get within this level as a 3-way structure, and again 3-way structure, and then again may drop. And the second support is here. One second. Yeah, this is a major support zone of 10,800 zone. So these are the major support, and the next support is 9,000 here in this zone. So within this zone I am expecting again to reaccumulate what I have booked here. I already nearly 75% of my stocks I have booked here itself, and I'm just waiting for that drop. And what I thought is here is the end of the fifth wave, and here itself I expected that correction to started, but again it went that one impulsive wave. So either it could be a what I said 1 2 3 4 5 like that, and the wedge formation of the fifth wave, or the third, fourth, and fifth got ended. So only the two possibilities now I am expecting, but bigger correction is ahead for this rally, the 5-way structure rally. So let's move on to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also in the previous previous video I explained that I'm expecting that 22,700 in this zone, but what happened, it's did a very small correction, a 3-way structure here, and immediately went to the impulsive wave. So in the previous also I said there is a lot of chances, because I kept this as a 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal. So B couldn't be a like this kind of very simple ABC. That could be a, if it breaks this high, that could be an irregular flat. There is a possibility for running flat, or if it breaks this, that could be expanded flat, or maybe if it didn't break this high, it can be a here itself, it could break this low also in a regular flat pattern, but it already broken this high. So now I'm looking only for the running flat, and this channel's got a very good support here. is a bullish channel. So we are trading within this channel, rising channel. As far as this is a wave A or 1, so this couldn't be a B2. That is why I have explained that maybe this could be a 2 means 1 2, and then it can be a shooted from here self. It can be. So only buy is suggest if it comes like this kind of three-way structure. So what I'm expecting this week is a either it has to break this channel and exhaustion, and then after that it retest, and then again it can go for that. So that will be a continuation for that bigger third wave, or either it could be a C wave also. If it is a A, this is a B, means it could be a C wave also. So anything I'm expecting only the bullish, but this is also a possible, because in Nifty that same thing what I said, right? It could be a either it could be a bullish of the 5-way structure it can make, otherwise it can drop for that irregular flat, and at the same time it could be also a drop for the irregular flat. So that is Nifty is not a regular flat, it could be a correction also. This is the end of the fourth, and then fifth means this could be a correction. So like that, here we may get a irregular flat correction. So nearly again 12,200 I'm expecting. If it breaks means there is a lot of chances within this zone 20,400, and again we may get a bounce or little bit down for that 19,900 or 20,000, and then again it can bounce. So either it's looking like a ABC. Yes, it's only nearest. Again it can go up to nearly 3 to 400 points above, and then it has to drop. Either it could, if it is a running flat what I'm expecting, so there is no sell, only buy if it comes here. And all the bank stocks also I will explain, then you come to your conclusion how the bank Nifty will can react. So either this could be a or B, or this could be, if it comes here, that would be a B or 2. So then that will be a 5 waves, 3 waves, and again 5 waves. So whether it could be a 1 or 2 or 3, or this could be a or B and C can shoot above this, because Nifty almost it that it's around the 12,260, but Bank Nifty where it drops it is not there, only it's a 26,000, nearly most 6,000 points ahead to break this high. So in that condition what I am expecting to correlate it to the Nifty, if Nifty comes to that 10,600, it may be get a deeper correction also. So mind that and trade safe in that Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is a too volatile stock. So be careful. So let's move on to that individual stocks. Starts from, just have a look. Yeah, Titan, Grasim, Raymond, like that. So here we can put Titan. So Titan also, from here I expecting that three-way structure, and here it did the three-way structure, and now we are in that, it looks like A, B and C. Here is A, B and C. So this is a expanded flat here. So it has to come down as per this is a, there is a trend line channel also here. Here it's not a channel, it's a trend line, and it didn't break it. So maybe it can turn into a bullish, or again a deeper pullback to nearly, I'm expecting nearly this 1,000 range. So 1,000 yen is a very good buy, but it will took more time, it won't come immediately in this zone. And my count is this is the third wave, so either it could be a triangle also. So mind that this is a ABC, and one more ABC is already did. So now I'm expecting one more ABC to the downside, maybe around 850 also if it is a triangle. Or if this is the end of that fourth way means we have to break this to complete the fifth way structure. But it's not looking like that. So let's see. Because here is already overlapping, lot of overlappings here. It's not looking like a bullish. And here it's also started like a three-way structure. So still we are in that fourth wave only. So next we will move on to that Grasim. So Grasim also, this is ABC as a W, X ABC, it's a bigger W, and X. So this is a five-way structure A, and what I said is this could be in a running flat of B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the target is 800 and above. It's already achieved, but in that case, in the smaller time frame, it is still we are in that 1, 2. So this is the 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in that case, still one more high is also possible, but looking for that only rejection. Don't need to trade here in the buy because it's already done the 5. Only that conclusion and one is doubt is whether it is one more high is possible or from here itself it can come to the downside. Because this, if it is an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it's already get completed, and then I'm getting only rejection. I'm looking only for the rejection, or a one more pole high is possible to end the complete that structure of 5 waves. So nearly 830 to 840 is also possible, and then again I'm expecting the drop. And here as next thing is Raymond. So Raymond, it didn't move anywhere. It's just we are in that triangle only. So this is the chances for making a fourth way is a triangle means A, B, C, D, E, or if it breaks this high, that could be A, B, and then C. So D, E, a lot of consolidation can happen here still, but there is a lot of chances for making here. It could end of the 4 means it has to be in the 5-way structure to drop, and it has to break that 208 this low. But if it is the E wave end means this could be a 1, so this could be a 2 also. This is a 1, this could be a 2. So we need a bigger third wave, and then fourth and fifth. So I'm really expecting that 160 zone. So let's see, 1, 2, and 3 can go below this level, and fourth wave maybe like this, and then fifth wave to 160 I'm expecting. So let's see. And the next thing is I think Reliance. So Reliance also we need to change the count. I will tell you why I need to change the count. See, here it's the W, and this is the X, and Y is a diagonal triangle. What I said previous is this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this could be a wave 3 and 4 and then 5. So I expected like that only. In this zone it has to make a one more A, B, and C, but it already broken the bullish channel. So that means that is the indication we already did the 5s here itself. See, in that higher time frame we just hide that my wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves it's there. But why we looked for that again one more high means I took it this as a third way as also a diagonal triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is why I expected, and I already said we have to buy above this 2360 only, not here. and only if it is a regular flat we may get 2000, and we already got that 1830, and here is the good support, and it bounced from there 1832, nearly 200 points it bounced. So in my zone, in my wave count, this is not looking like a impulsive. Now we are in that deeper correction only. So in that case, how we have to calculate means A, B, C as a 1 is completed, A, B, C 2 is completed. Here A, B, C is a W, X, A, B and C, or this could be a, this could be a B in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B and C is a W, X, and this could be an either the impulsive wave of Y, but I'm not so sure. Here is a B, C, W, X, so this whole thing becomes a B and C like that, or any wave in this, in within this zone it could end it, otherwise it won't break this channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. So this could be a B, C as a W, X, again Y. Yeah, within this could be a third wave end also. So we have to come to a conclusion. So third and fourth got ended here itself. So for the fifth wave, A, B, C is got that 5 waves end. So in this ABC1, ABC2, ABC3, and this is the small 4, and this could be a 5. So that is the end of the third wave, bigger third wave. ABC is a 4 and A, B and C is a 5 waves got ended. If it bounced from here and if it makes the one more high means, that is also a possible, what I explained the previous. So now here this is a 5-way structure, and this is a 3-way structure, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So A, B, C got over. Now A, B and C, and after that it could be a W, X, A and B and C. So like this it may happen. So waiting for this zone, but here we have to buy only the small positions in that rejection, but only for the target of again nearly 200 points. So in that case, after this correction, I'm expecting to the downside. So what will be the positional trade setup is, it could again come to this 1500 zone also in that bigger wave correction. Here again there will be a lot of chances to come to the 1400 zone also in the bigger time frame. And if we look in the daily time frame or weekly, see this is the A, B is a triangle, C got ended here. So this I have placed that as a W, this could be an X. So whether this is the end of the A wave and we are in the B wave, after once the B wave is completed, and again one more C wave is also possible, or else this is a W, X, Y and again X, and then Z can also happen. Here also we just W, X, see it's exactly that 100 level, that this length is equal to here, it's just missed by, from here it's around yeah, around 500 to sorry 50 to 60 points I think so, or maybe 100 points. So this above the 786 is valid for that ABC equal to CD pattern. So what I am expecting here is either this could be a W, X, Y is completed, or A is completed, and now again I'm expecting the B way, and then one more way to the upper side is also possible. Or if it ended means we may be a very deeper correction can also happen. So mind that trading the Reliance is very only for the short term, very short term, only for that week holding only, and it looks like a weekly. It's a doji candle, perfect doji candle. So it has to break this low for that again for the further continuation for the downtrend. But from here itself, I'm expecting consolidation, and again one more way to the 2200 is also possible. This is a major resistance zone as of now, 2200, and then again fall, maybe consolidation, and then again may fall can happen. This is my conclusion in here. So next we will move on to Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance also perfectly, I expected the triangle. There's A, so A, B, C, D, E, and then again one more push is possible. And what I said the previous, making a irregular flat or a triangle also. So there is a lot of chances if it breaks this high, and it already done that previous high, it's break the previous high. Now the same, no change as of now. This is a 5-way structure. So we are in the deeper correction. Either it could be an irregular flat to break this low of expanded flat, or it could be a triangle and then it can shoot. So anything is possible, but there is no trade here. Perfectly did, and I already updated in my Telegram channel. Just have a look there, and there is a lot of for that confirmation. I have updated this, so you can straight away go to that my Telegram page, and you can see where I have updated my all the things. You can compare there what will be the on that 28th, and updated on the 25th, and from the last week, because of my technical issues in my system, I didn't updated anything from the last week. So nearly 25th is my last updated everything, I think so. But I just traded and I booked all the 75% of my stocks because I expecting the bigger correction. So this is either it could be a triangle or it could be a bigger complex correction in the expanded triangle expanded flat can happen. So now we move on to Sun TV. So Sun TV also, what I said is 1, 2. So this is a if it is a third way, because I am expecting this the BE is ended here in the low. It's a bigger deeper correction, and C has to shoot. In that case, either this could be A, B, C as a 1 as a triangle ending diagonal triangle pattern, or it could be a 1, 2 and 1, 2. So it respects this channel, rising channel, and it bounced exactly from here. So whether it is making a small deeper correction means there is a lot of chances for making a complex correction. That is why I have nearly explained here. So if the Nifty also is in deeper correction, this also can make a deeper correction. So do only the small trades until if it breaks the high of 510. Then only we come to a conclusion. So till that we are in the correction only. So in that deeper correction, I will accumulate. I am already having the position at 430, that you know very well, and I didn't book the profit yet because I took it as a long term, and little small trades I am doing here. I bought at 410 and I sold at 440 itself. So looking for the deeper corrections. So only the small trades I will trade, not in bigger investments. So Zeal also, I explained that the shorter term is I bought at 174, and I told that maybe a 210 will be a possible target, but here it's still we are in the correction only, because I simply said this is a A, B and C. So if it is there, means it has to reach this 155 zone. That is the major support zone here, 155, but it didn't yet. But at the time here itself, I told the 5-way structure is getting over, so immediately I post my idea at, I bought at 174 here itself, and now I booked at 191.8 here itself. I booked because I will explain here. See, this is the one A, B, C is over, and this is also looks like a 5-way structure, and this is also a 5-way structure. So in that case, this is a 5-way structure. We are in the correction part, and it may again one more drop is also possible. So if it drops like this, this whole thing becomes an irregular flat. So nearly 141 or 168, maybe sometimes it will trace like that, and again one more bounce I am expecting here. So this is the A. So this whole thing becomes a running flat for the B correction, and one more drop is also possible. One more drop is also possible. So what I expected at 155 to 140 is also possible. So in that case, ABC is a A. So this is a A, B, C, B, and C. So this whole thing becomes a A, B, and C. The simple 3-way structure, but in complex correction it can happen. So it could be like this also. Here it did a triangle, or it could be an irregular flat also. Here is a A, and this is also A, B, C, and then C. See, like this same thing, the same pattern. And here also it did 161.8, right? It's near to that. So like that it can happen here, and again it can attract the buyers in this zone. After that, immediately drop. So for this drop, so A, B, and C. So what happened that ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C got over here. So this is a flat correction as of now. So still we are in the correction part only. So otherwise it can go up to like this only, this kind of correction part. It can go a diagonal triangle also. Here my positional view is, yeah, this is the one. This could be the end, means either this could be a, one second, yeah, so this could be a also, and this is a bigger A also. So A, B, and C. So B I took it as a regular flat, irregular flat, and C is also here. It's a diagonal triangle wave. 1, 2, W, X, A, B, C is the third, fourth, and fifth is finished here. So like this kind of triangle can happen, diagonal triangle can happen in the C way also. So in that case, we may get a lot of three-way structure, and I am expecting here, and then I will be in buy side. Maybe this could be a here also. It can retest up to 149 or 150, and then again I bounce. It can bounce. So in that case, ABC is a B, and C is a 1. That is why I have placed here as a 1. So we are in that second wave of the diagonal triangle wave. So 1, 2 completed means the 3-way had to store. So it will took more time here. So next we will move on to the steel sector. I think so. Bajaj, Reliance, Sun TV, yeah, ZIL we finished, and then I added the ZIL. Now JSW. See, JSW also I said perfectly. I did the 5 ways in that 5th wave. So here is the leading diagonal wave in 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 3 got ended here. 4, and 5th way is also 1, 2, 3, and I expected from here it has to bounce, but it deeper correction. But in the C wave edge formation, that is acceptable. It can overlap also. So in that case, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is already got finished. So either one more small wave to the upper side is also possible, but be careful. This is a 1 2 3 and a 4 can 5 can happen here to 336 and then again fall. So that means this is a perfectly the wave 1 5-way structure got going to end, or it already finished. So in that case, in the daily, so I didn't done here that 5-way structure is got over, means I need to look for this price action and I need to do that. So if once I completed the positional wave count, whether we will see this, because here it's looking like an, this could be a, this could be an irregular flat, and then C. So it's simply ABC it looks like. So let's see, and 5-way structure is also finished. So now 3-way structure. So to this, once again we just clone this. Now this is not the perfect one. What is going on? It's not doing the perfect cloning. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, any issues there. So we just keep this in this zone. So first target is the 274. So we may buy here for the smaller short-term position, and I'm expecting it has to bounce from here, at least 3-way structure, and then again I'm expecting a drop. So to the, this could be a support zone. So here, but in that case, if it didn't came to this much deeper, means there is a one more possibilities for the irregular flat. How it possible means, it could be like going like this, how it did in that now bank nifty, like that it may do, but at that time it won't be a bigger correction. So maybe here, and then it could be a wave A, B, or 1 or 2, and then again it can shoot. So like that it can happen. So now I'm expecting only that rejection after the once the finished of the 5-way structure. So I will do only the cash segments, so I won't be in sell side expecting this. See, because this is a 5-way structure, once we allowed it to for the A wave to the rejection, and B wave we can trade the C wave. That will be a good opportunity in the future. But without anything, that 5-way structure can be extended also in any pattern also. So mind that, don't trade, it's very difficult to trade in the futures. And Tata Steel. So Tata Steel also we finished here as a W and already finished the AX. So now we did a here a 5-way corrective structure. It's a ABC A, ABC B. So whether this could be another ABC as a W, and we did a one. I thought, see previous I thought it could be a 3-way structure to break this low, but what happened here, it break this high. So in that case this could be a W, and we may get a deeper correction for that EX. So this could be an expanded flat, and again one more ABC can happen. Or in that case, if this is a 5-way corrective structure, this is the end, means we can get a deeper correction. So this is my view. So in everything, all the thing I'm expecting only the correction part. So in that case, see here also Tata Steel also did, and the Jindal Steel also. We move on to the Jindal. This is also what I expected. Perfectly did. I told this is could be an and this is the A, this is the B, and C can go. Exactly it did. And what I bought here is I sold at nearly 28 208. I exited my position. I am not waiting for to break this high, because sometimes it can flash and then again it can come to the downside also. So that is why I exited at here itself. 208 I exited my position. Yes, here in this rejection only, because if sometimes it may be a deeper correction also. So now perfectly did ABC. So I'm looking for that deeper correction. So in everything I'm looking for the same thing only. So Tata Steel also there, JSW, Jindal, and one more is that sale also same thing. Just we will look not deeply. See here, the sale it's also looking like the deeper correction. So we will see all that Jindal, JSW, Hindalco. Yeah, we need to watch that Hindalco also. So Hindalco also same exactly what I said. This could be in a 5-way structure for that correction, and I am expecting this wave to the higher, and it did that same thing. Here is a, I will remove now. So whether this is the end of the BVA means we need to be to break this low. Now here there is a lot of chances for making a irregular flat of expanded flat, and did the same thing, and again we bounced. So this A, B, and C. So it finished, or it will still continue in that direction. We are still, if it is still in the B way means still we will get a lot of deeper correction also. If it is W and X, A, B, C, again it may go above this high also. So let's wait and see. And there is a lot of chances for making a deeper correction in the C wave. So mind that I'm expecting everything in the steel sectors, Nifty, everything in the deeper correction. So if it did means also, and again there will be a complex correction in the forex, it will do more complex correction, but in equity it won't do. So it will be all very simple only. So that is why I have catched this one. I booked everything in 187. I exited my position here itself. So let's see, and what is the next as per in our watch list. Tata, Hindalco, Jindal finished, and MGL. So MGL also it's looking very complex correction, and it is not looking like, see, as per my this shorter term, I didn't done the positional wave count. I did done the positional wave count. So this is only for the shorter term. So this one ABC is got finished, so W, and expecting that X wave, and it already did from here itself I told, and I am in that at here itself of 873. Yeah, I think 883, I think so. Yeah, from 883 I am in that's a buy. And what I bought here also, and immediately I booked the profit, and it did done, and again I bought at 787. So what I thought is there is a lot of chances for this could be a fourth wave, and one more drop is also possible, what I said, but it's still now we are in that correction only, it's not going anywhere. So I've just bought here at 812 in this zone, and I booked at 841. Here itself I booked the profit and exited my position what for the short term, but still I am holding that 883 position, still I am having that. Yeah, I think here I bought, yeah, 878 or 883 I'm having still one more position, it's there. And here is the conclusion, what is means this could be a B, and C is a 1 2 3 4 5. So what I labeled as this could be a 5, and that wedge formation also. So A, B and C. But after that, this is a five-way structure, and still we are in that A, this is the B and C. That is why I have bought at 812. Here itself I bought. I placed here below this 812 and it triggered, and still now B already breaking the low of 806 also it came. So now A, B and one more high is also possible. So once it completed, this is an A, this is a B and C. So in that case still we are in the correction, or what kind of correction it's going to do, or this could be a W, this is the X means, so this could be a diagonal triangle also. That in that case A, B, C as a 1, and again one more rejection can happen, and then again it can to short. Otherwise still we are in that correction part, still we are in the fourth wave, or it could be a diagonal triangle in the fifth wave. That is also a possible thing we have to look. How it is possible means A, B, C as a 1, so ABC as a 2, here ABC as a W, X, ABC. So in that case this could be a third wave, and here it's going to make that could be a fourth wave. In that case this could happen, and then fifth wave A, B and C. So my target of 740 is still valid. So one more way to below 740 is also possible, and previous itself I explained here itself. So there is a lot of chances for making the 740. So just I keep on watching there. This kind of wave formation is occurred in Ashok Leyland. The same formation I will show you here for example. So that is why we need to watch that structure. We need to keep that in mind. See, A, B, C as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So still now that same kind of wave formation in that MGL also. It's a fractal market. It's doing the same thing again and again. We need to understand that base structures. So it could possible here, this kind of wave formation also. See, I'm talking about it could be whether if it is bounced from here, the previous is valid. This is the end of third wave, fourth wave, and we are fifth wave is got ended, and this could be in wedge formation, and we have to be in buy side A, B, C. So anything is valid here, but still one more possible is also there, so mind that. So MGL finished. Sun Pharma, so previous also I expected same thing. This is a major support zone in that 480 zone, 470, and I already see expecting to buy at 470 and 430 once it reached completion of the B wave. So I bought at 470 here perfectly. I bought at 470, and it did a deeper correction also, but no need to get panic, right? We have already getting a trade plan. So here A, B, C is over. So now A is completed. Still we are in the correction of B wave, and one more C is possible. After that we may get this one. So exactly what I said, what I did is from that 470 I booked the profit, because on that day there was an result for, I think so, in that Sun Pharma there is a one news and it shooted, but I exited my position at 480 or 490 before that news. In this spike itself I exited my position. I didn't wait, because there's a pharma sectors will give a lot of spikes. I had seen a lot of things in Lupin also. So trading this is very difficult, and I'm looking what we are in the correction only. So we didn't know whether it is doing the correction, and immediately once how it goes, and immediately it can come like this also, and then we can make another pattern, whatever the pattern. So this A and B and C can come to the like this also. It's a deeper correction also. So at the time ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and again ABCC, and we marked it as a W. So that is simple. But what we have to do, I'm always looking for the safer side to book the profit, not to lose the profit. So the profited trade, lot of time went to that negative also. In the DCB, I did the same mistake. I didn't done the profit at 90. Sorry, it's around 105, I think so. I didn't book that. We bought at 80 something, and I missed that because that is a new for me. That is the starting of my Indian stocks. So I looked for that, and those are the lessons I learned in that Indian stock market. So now I'm looking only for that deeper correction, and then again to shoot. So nearly up to 540 is a target. So after this consolidation only, after a three-way structure, then we may get if the correction got ended here, I will be in buy side for the target of shorter term, only shorter term, and will go only for that smaller position only, not the big to trade here. If we need to take a risk here, we need to buy at 430. Once the 470 is got over, now we are looking for that 430 zone. So for that also, I want to do blindly to get into the trade. We need to watch the wave formation, whether the B wave, where the B wave is get ended. Then only we have to buy. So sometimes it could be a, because this I have a alternative count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is entered. This could be A, B, and C. So that could be around A, or this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 is a triangle, and fifth way is also a 5-way structure. So that is also possible. In that case, we may get a deeper correction also. So nearly 370 is a beautiful buy zone here ahead. So once we get enter in the 430 zone also, we have to expect it may give a 370 also. So there is a good buy there also. In either case, it has to be a one more upper side is also possible. So let's move on to that LT. So LT is a beautiful trade, and I exited everything at 980 something. Here in that past video I said it's looking like a wedge formation. So if it comes to the reach at 960, I will exit my position, and that day it spiked. So in this spike only I exited my position at 980 here in the zone, and I already bought at 968 here, I think so, or here something I have bought at 968 one position here. Yeah, from here itself. The perfect, yeah, here I bought at previous, and I thought it can shoot, and it came down, and we did a lot of trades here, and I have explained in that. You just go through that for the previous video. And now this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got ended. So either this could be a B here, it's not possible because they're 5-way structure. That is why I did. And after once it completed, exactly what I expected is a 3-way structure. From here I expected, but that day it spiked, and now the same alternative wave, the A, B, and C. So this becomes W, this is the X. So A is finished, B, we are the B wave. So C wave has to break below this 844 level I'm expecting. Or in either case, sometimes it's look like one more high is also possible. So A, B, C is a W, X, and again A, B, C, and then again drop also. So anything, but I'm looking for buy in that 3-way structure. If it ends, I will be in buy side. So Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland also, if we see it in the daily picture, the previous wave is A, B, C as a W, X is a triangle. So again A, B and C is a W, and what I said is maybe a irregular flat can happen or a triangle in the wave X also. So it already broke the high. So here there is a chances for making a irregular flat, and it's already there is a lot of wicks here in this daily zone, and we are in the perfectly doji candle. So either case I'm looking for that drop nearly 60 zone I'm expecting for the X wave. But in some cases if we look for this 1, 2, so 3, 4 and 5, and for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in that cases this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the whole thing becomes a 1 in the leading diagonal. This is the 2, this is the 3, and here is the 4 and 5. So this is, we can convert into a 5-way structure also. Previous I took it as an A, B, C as a W. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the leading diagonal pattern. ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5. So this whole thing becomes wave 1. Understand this? This could be a wave 1, and in that case this is not a triangle. Sorry. Yeah. It is not a triangle. So this is not a B also. So we need to make it as an, we will do it, we don't want to break this, the previous, we can stick to that only, just we will do the alternative counts. So this could be a wave 1 also, and this could be a wave 2. So here is a wave 1 and this is the wave 2, not a triangle. Okay, you try to understand whether this is the alternative count. This is a W, X also, or this could be a 1 and this could be a 2 also. Yeah, here is a 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3 is ended here. 3, 4, 5. So this could be a 3 also, and this could be a 4 also, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be anything is possible. So this is an alternative count. So here we have to mark it as an 1, the 5th wave, and 2, whether this is the end of the 3rd or here is the end of the 3rd. One more wave is also possible in case this is also a 3rd, we can mark it as a question mark, and either this could be a, yeah, because of, we will just go through that 4th wave. Yeah, yeah, it can do anything. 4, this could be a 3, or this could be a 4. So lot of chances. There is still one more high is also possible. So it can be end of the 5th wave here, or there is a one more high is also possible. So then that will become the 5th wave here. So in that case all five waves come to end. So we need to plot as a wave 1 or A. So lot of bigger correction is going to head here in this zone. So again the 60 zone is possible. So let's move on to the next Tata Motors. So that is also same count. I will stick to that, and here it's making a triangle. So whether ABC is got over, so that could be a W or A. A, B, C, D, E means it has to be come to the downside, and if it breaks this channel, and it see here it's all it took the support here, and here it's a coiling. So whether this has to break or this has to break, either zone. So if it breaks also, there is a lot of chances for making a irregular flat. In that case, this could be an A, B, C, D, E, and then it can shoot like this above or below. So there is a lot of chances, and then again break. But I am expecting here for the 100 zone, or if it did that irregular flat and we can't get that below this low, because if the channel trend line, sorry, that's this trend line, the bullish trend line, it's taking more support in this. So if it breaks means that will confirms that bearish. It's not break and close below this here. See. So let's see whether it is in a B wave triangle, or this could, if it is a W, this could be a X and A, B, C. So anyway, I'm looking only for that downside. So let's move on to next to Castrol. We are already having that, and it is not doing anything. I bought at 104.1, the perfect bottom, and what I did is I booked the profit here 120, and I'm already having the position before itself 120.50, 120.50. So still I'm having that, and it is looking like it's not looking like a 5-way structure. So far is a is a 3-way structure. So either this could be 1 2 and again 1 2 and bigger third way is possible, or if this as an, I took it as a ABC is a A and this B as a triangle, so C finished. In that case, this, if it is a W, this could be a X, so this could be a and B, and then again one more C way to break this low is also possible. If we make it is as a W, X, A, so B and C, 1 2 3 4 5, so it can make a deeper correction to 98 also after once it completed. So this is the A, this is the B and C. I'm looking only for this level of 130, now 140 level. So let's see how it moves. This is the only one I'm having, and now we go to the Maruti. So Maruti also, I took it as a B and C means it's already got over. If we place this as 1 2 3, so we are in that, maybe a triangle can happen, and it's already did the same thing. It didn't break this high yet. So A, B and C, and again we are making a 3-way structure. So whether it is going to be a 4th wave, or this could be a end of the X means this could be a. So we are in the B way triangle also can happen. Otherwise, if this is the end means this could be a, so this could be a B, 1 2, and third wave can be a bigger, 4th and 5th. So in that case this could be a, B and C, 1 2 3 4 5. So bigger ABC can also happen. So at that time here it's W, this could be an W, X, A, B, C as a bigger is can happen, but it rejected in this zone. It got getting rejected in this zone. That is the thing you have to watch. So whether I took it this as an in the positional A, B, C as a, So A, B, C, D, E as a triangle, and this is the end of the C wave. As per that fib expansion level also, this A, end of the B, perfectly did that 100 ABC A, ABC B and C. So I took it like that only, but some cases A, B, C, D and E. So if this is the B, we may get a deeper again fall also in the correction part, A, B, C, D, E, and then again correction part also. But this is not looking like an expanding triangle, but that base is declining, the top, and the base is expanding. So this is also the valid pattern. So ABC is A, B, C, D and E. After that it may be a low also. So in either case I am looking only the one possibility, two possibilities to the downside, one possibilities to the upper side. So what will be the next possibility means either this could be end of the four means, or it could make a triangle and then for the fifth wave, but it has to break this high. Then only we confirmed it as an bullish for the fifth wave, then we can mark it. So once the 5 waves is got ended, anyway we are looking for the deeper correction, then we can buy there. That is a confirmation. So without any confirmation and in this zone, that 5650 is a good buy zone here. So let's move on to Infosys. So all Infosys, Wipro and HCL, everything it is in that third wave ended, and beyond that fourth wave. As per this is my positional wave count. 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5. So here is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 1 2 3. So we are in that confusion part. There is a challenge for all Elliott wave traders in the B wave and the fourth wave. So it will give more entries, and we can get more confused here. After that only it may make a one more high. For that fifth wave is also possible. So I'm looking only for that downside for that fourth wave. So here it did the perfect 1 2 3 4 5. So I'm looking for that downside. So same thing in Wipro also. Third wave is completed and we are in that fourth wave. So fourth wave may get a little bit complex correction, and then one more wave to the five waves is also possible. I am looking for the downside only. Or in either case, if this is the end of the thing, we can make it as to change here. So there is a little bit confusion here, because 1 2 3 4 5 means 1 2 3 4 and 5 waves is got completed. So lot of confusions here for me. 1 2 3 4 and 5 means this is the, for this one this is the second, this is the third, fourth, and from here itself I'm looking for that downside, and it already broken the high again. So in that case, whether we have to change the count 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So here, one second, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, and for this 1 2 3 4 and 5. So for this one we are in that, yes, perfectly. So here it's a little confusion, but we don't need to trade here. Only if it comes to complete the three-way structure. This is not at the end of the three-way structure. It's not looking like a three-way structure still. So once it got this kind of here, you can little bit accumulate here for the target of 360. So from here we may get whether for the fifth wave or up to 360. Then if it is a triangle, again we may get a like this kind of trades, and again it may give this is a triangle. So 1 2 3 4 5, or either way this is the fourth wave, means 5 ways. So here you have to accumulate only little thing, because in the same thing we did in that Reliance also, I explained that. So buying in the fourth way is not advised. If it breaks, means that is a very small for the fifth wave. So be cautious here to trading the fourth wave and the fifth wave. So let's move on to HCL. HCL also same 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So whether this is the end of the third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave has got ended here. Here is the fifth wave ended, or this is the end of the fifth wave and this is the end of the third wave, means again 4 and 5 is also possible. So everything that Wipro and HCL, it's looking like confused here. So whether one more wave to the upper side is also possible. So we have to watch the wave formation here. So whether the price action for the fourth wave, you know very well about that. It can make a irregular flat or it can make a triangle. So in that case we have to watch here for the third wave scenario, 38.2 retracement and the previous fourth wave. So in either case there is a buy at 750 only for the small accumulation only, not to trade expecting the fifth wave to the upper side. You have to exit at 850 zone itself. If you bought at 760 range, within that 840 to 850 you need to exit, because we don't know whether it is making a one more of fifth wave is also possible, or it's a end of the 5 ways here itself. So next we will move on to that bank stocks. So I'm expecting the DZB first. We will watch the DZB. We bought here exactly what I said at 80, yeah, here 80 level, and in that I said explained right. For it's a greedy only. So I missed this to book the profit here, and the end of the five-way structure also here. I'm expecting this as a 1, this as a 2, and again expecting the third way to the higher side, and there is a channel. So I thought it could do this thing, but what happened here? So ABC is a B, and C got over. So now after this ABC, A, B, C, there is a one more A, B, and C. So what I did here is, once I clear watching here, I entered at 76 and I booked all my stocks here in the DZB. What I bought here and what I bought here. So I exited my position. So I bought at 80 also. So that also I exited my position here in this zone. So now whether this could be another three-way structure, if it didn't break this low, there is a chances for making one more high and then again drop. So in either condition I'm going to watch this, but I no need to trade here for, and I won't investment in this, I think so. And this is a very slow moving, so no need to. I already said if I exited my position in the DZB, I won't watch this and I won't analyze this. But let's continue how it moves. If there is any opportunity, we can do that. So in SBI also, I exited my position at 201, I think so. Yeah, here I exited and again it shooted to 218 also. 221 is the high, right? So I am expecting this is a WEX. So why I exited my position at here 208 means, yeah, not 208, 205 I exited my position. because it looks like 5 ways is ended here. So this is a W, this is a X means A. So B can come to this zone and then again it has to shoot. But what it did here is only whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or this could be a ABC is a ABC is a B, and then C. So we can consider, and both are valid here. So now what we have to do is keeping watch and look like an eagle, and this zone again I'm expecting nearly 170 zone. It has to break this low. So in such conditions, if it breaks, there's a lot of chances. If it breaks means that will become an irregular flat because there's a WX. So whether this could be A means after the B, C can go above this high. So in that case, there is a chances for making a irregular flat for the X. So in that time, the X will, if it is a running flat, it can do like this. And here is that A, B, and C. So W, X, and again A, B, C can go higher. But this will took more time if it is possible of this kind of wave. Because it is an irregular flat, it can go higher. But if it didn't break the high, it has to break this low. Or it has to make a triangle. So lot of possibilities is that just we need to watch. That's it. No, this is the not time to investment here. Everything I'm looking only for that downside. So next ICICI. So ICI is also, it's a very complex correction still. See, what I thought here is the end of that A, and I have did 5 ways completed for the wave A, and what I bought at 405, I exited my position that day itself. I explained that, and now from here I expected the 3-way structure to the downside again to buy here to trade that C wave. So A, so if it comes like this B, so I'm expecting that same 370 zone, and it came to 387. I allowed this to make, and I'm expected from here, but on that day it's a gap up open. So here what is the conclusion is still, and I said if this is a connecting wave for the whole thing, this it won't be like very simple. We have to expect the more complex correction also. I said the previous week also, the 15 days back. So I thought this A and B and C can shoot, but now what I'm expecting here, there is a confusion here because it didn't break the high and it didn't break the low also. So in that case, this could be an A, okay, and this whole thing becomes a B in the irregular flat. And if you watch this kind of 161, it's already doing that, and I have explained that also. Nowadays it's a not 1272, 1414 and 1618, and then it may come to your plan, and then again it showed. So in that case, if this is a chances for making a 3-way structure also, and according to that fib extension level 1272 is perfectly there, perfectly it did the 1272, and now I'm expecting A, B, and C. So either it has to break this channel or it can take it took a support. So anyway, I'm looking only for the 370. It's a very beautiful support zone here. So at the 370 I will buy, and if it is not shorted as I expected, so it can be another deeper correction also. It can break this also in expanded flat. If it breaks, already did, so there is a lot of chances for the expanded flat also. So anything we have to get ready for that pattern also. So either running flat or expanded flat. So I'm expecting a three-way structure to the downside, and here also, yeah, 272, and yeah, one more thing here, so A, so B, and here also it's perfectly 786. Here it's a 1272, and here it's a 786. So this is a AB is equal to CD pattern, and this is also perfect for that irregular flat pattern I'm expecting, and then it may go to about 560 also after that the completion of the X wave. So either this could making a triangle also. So mind that A, B, C, D, E, and then X will be here, and then A, B, C can happen. So anything is possible. Only buy is my advice in that lower range 370. Otherwise, it has to break that 330 level. So in Axis Bank, here, so this could be an end of that A wave here. It's keep on extending in this zone, and I'm expecting that B wave. So here I took it this as an A, B, and C. So this is the W, X. So A is got completed. So I'm expecting that B wave in the deeper correction, and it could be like this also, deeper correction. Here I took it this as a A, B, C. Again this also A, B, and C. Here's a B, and C. So in that case, anything is valid. Whether we can make it as an this as a A, this as a B, and A, B, C, or this could make it how we make it marked as an ICICI Bank. This is a W. So A, B, and C can be a irregular flat, and then again A, B, and C can go above this zone also. So in that case, if we using the fib expansion level, the rejection, so that 786 to 1 level. So that is my target for this, but I'm expecting here a three-way structure to the downside. Whether this could be a or 1 or B or 2 comes to an end here, or it could be a, here is a bigger W and this is the X also, it's possible. Because ABC is a W and this could be a X, so W, X, ABC. So if it is a bigger W, ABC, this is not be a this much simple correction for this kind of wave. So again we may get a three-way structure. So finally we move to that RBL. So RBL also I took it this as a wave 1. So lot of chances I booked the profit at 195. Here itself I booked the profit. I bought at 165 and I exited at 195. So now I am looking for that one more three-way structure or anyway five-way structure. So this 140 zone is the beautiful accumulation zone in this zone. So this is my plan for this RBL. Either it could be ABC is a A. So B means C has to shoot from here. C has to shoot from here. But as of now, all stocks, all banks is going to be a little bit deeper correction, means this is not the exemption case. This can also give like this kind of three-way structure. So in that case, this A may get invalid. This could be a way 1 or A or 1, this to B or 2. So in that case 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this 5-way structures got over. So I just removing this A also, this B also. So here this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and again A, B and C. So let's see. I think I finished all that as per our watch list. Yeah, the Parag milk yeah, one thing. One more is there. I said the Parag milk, I think I didn't cover that in the last video also. So we will finish that Parag also. So Parag also I bought at 104.5 here and I exited at 111.5 here itself, the previous resistance zone, because I know this could be an C wave, and now this is a, so this is a ABC, and I am looking for this correction to happen, otherwise it could break this low also. But I said this is if it didn't break this high, there is a lot of chances for break this low, or if this could be an ABC as a W, there is a lot of chances for making a triangle also. This is a three-way structure, this is also three-way structure. So if it is making a triangle also, so then that could be a WX again ABC. So this is what we are doing here is only for that small short term for the 150 zone. So I think I finished now. So thanks for watching, and thanks for giving your valuable likes, and you follow me if you are following in my Telegram channel. For past week I didn't update it because of my technical issues in my system. So now it's get clear. So in every week I can try to upload my weekly analysis for this stocks, bank stocks, everything. So have a nice weekend, have a nice profitable week, and trade safe. Thanks a lot.